Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, July 6th. Seeing some partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies out there this morning after we had a bit of some mid and upper level clouds move through the area. We are going to remain dry today, but it's going to be rather warm out there. Expect a high of 90 degrees on the main base today. We are going to then be seeing a slight chance of an isolated shower around midnight tonight as the system drops south across the Delmarva, and then we'll see shower and thunderstorm chances slowly ramping up as we go later into the week. Take a look at our current surface analysis this morning. We do have this weak stationary boundary across the southern Pennsylvania, and when we get towards this afternoon, we're going to see some showers and storms ignite along this boundary, and then that group of showers and storms is going to start to move south across the Delmarva. It will be weakening as it approaches the Wallops region. Could still see some thunderstorms just after sunset across central portions of the Delmarva, but it does look like it'll weaken as it gets towards the Wallops region, still giving a chance of some shower activity around midnight. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning to see some mid and upper level clouds move through. That has dissipated a bit, and then we're going to also keep an eye on this other area of some mid and upper level clouds. It does look like it's also dissipating as it approaches the region, and you can start to see some of those more brighter cloud tops up towards far northern Maryland, starting to see some of that convection initiate with that stationary boundary, but those storms should remain well north of the area, and then seeing them transition to showers once we get closer to Wallops later tonight. Take a brief look at our upper level winds this morning. We are seeing a freezing level at 13,100 feet. Winds are from the west-southwest once we get above the surface through about 9,000 feet, fairly light aloft, only seeing those winds running around 5 to 10 knots, and then shifting more westerly above 12,000 feet, only around 10 to 20 knots through 20,000 feet, and then just above 20 knots through 25,000 feet. So seeing some very light flow across the region this morning. For today, going to be looking at that high of 90 degrees. Winds are going to increase from the south-southwest from 8 to 13 knots and a little bit gusty late this morning and throughout the afternoon. They're going to shift more southerly once we get towards the late afternoon and early evening time frame, around 8 to 13 knots, and then shifting more southwesterly overnight at 6 to 11 knots, and then weakening to 4 to 9 knots in the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. And like I said, we're going to be seeing a chance of those isolated showers, mainly between about 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. is our best chance. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm. We are still carrying about a 15% chance of seeing some lightning tonight, but not looking terribly likely. We're going to be seeing higher chances north of Wallops, and then just seeing some chances for showers once that system gets all the way down towards the Wallops region. We are going to be seeing a mild low tomorrow as well of 74 degrees. For today, going to be just seeing a few to scattered cloud deck around 15,000 feet, and then some scattered to broken clouds near 30,000 feet. That'll be the case throughout the day. Then we'll see some clouds near 5,000 feet start to pop up just before sunset as that system starts to approach the region from the north. And then going into tonight, we're going to see some scattered to broken clouds at 5 to 10,000 feet, and then possibly seeing overcast at 10,000 feet if we get to any showers or thunderstorms. By sunrise tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a few clouds at 2,500 feet, a few at 5,000, scattered at 12,000, broken at 25,000, and we are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our short-term weather model to show you how those storms might move towards the region as we go later into this evening. This is 2 p.m. for this afternoon. We could be seeing some storms fire across Delaware, but nothing's expected down towards the Wallops region. Here you see that large area of showers and storms starting to generate as we go into the late afternoon hours. This is 6 p.m., and then they will be moving south as we go towards sunset. This is 10 p.m. here, and that's when we could start seeing some showers across the region, and it really will stall out across central portions of the Delmarva and then weaken as we go towards 4 a.m. Taking a look at our longer weather model here across the eastern half of the country. This is going into this afternoon, and as we go into tonight, going to be seeing those showers, which are depicted here on this model that we're looking at. And then, like I said, those will be dissipated by tomorrow morning. Seeing a chance of some pop-up showers and storms for late tomorrow morning or early afternoon. It does look like it's going to be generating on that boundary that's going to wash out tonight. And it does look like the best chances will be north of Wallops, so only running around a 15% chance of seeing a shower or storm impact the Wallops region tomorrow, but higher chances for areas around Salisbury and up in Delaware. As we go into Wednesday, we're going to start to be watching this low that's going to be hugging the coast of the Carolinas, and that could, if it gets over water enough, could possibly generate some tropical characteristics. As we go into Wednesday, it does look like Wednesday is going to be dry ahead of this system, only a very slight chance of an isolated shower. And then models are a little bit uncertain about exactly what's going to happen, as it really will depend on if it can get over water or if it stays more over land this a week low. But we are seeing signs that it could be over water enough and gain some tropical characteristics as we go into the end of the week. This is Thursday. We'll be seeing some chances for showers and storms as we get more moisture associated with this low. And then Friday, that's when that low is going to start to deepen a bit and give us some higher chances for scattered showers and storms. This is Friday afternoon. It looks like scattered showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two are going to be likely across pretty much the entire Delmarva and Mid-Atlantic coastal region. So that will be a hit if we have any ops still planned on Friday that we'll have to keep an eye on, as we do have the system. Then it also could give us some pretty breezy winds, especially right along the coast as well. System will kick out the late Friday night, giving us a chance for some lingering scattered showers and storms for Saturday, and then we'll see those chances for some pop-up showers and storms continue for Sunday as well. We are going to be looking at some very hot temperatures going into this upcoming weekend. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be looking at 90 degrees today under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be a little bit more closer to seasonable temperatures, 87 degrees tomorrow, just a 15% chance of a pop-up shower or storm. Wednesday, going to be seeing just a 15% chance of a shower under partly to mostly cloudy skies with a high of 86. It's going to be rather humid this week. That's why we're going to see those overnight lows remain in the mid-70s pretty much through every day through the 7-day period. Thursday, that's when we're going to start to see that low approach the area from the south. It is going to move up the coast very slowly, giving us 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm with a high of 83. We'll get a little bit more of an onshore flow Thursday through Friday. That'll help to keep those temperatures down into the low 80s. On Friday, that's when that system is going to be just offshore, giving us some breezy winds as well as about a 70% chance of showers and a chance of a thunderstorm as well. So it does look like we'll see these showers and storms continue pretty much all day Friday. Not really looking at right now a time that we could see a break. So that will be something we'll be keeping an eye on so we can nail down that timing a little bit better. As we go Saturday, we'll see a 50% chance of some showers and storms. It's going to be rather warm with a high of 91. And then Sunday, a little bit less chance of some storms, only isolated pop-up thunderstorm as possible with a 20% chance. And it's going to be rather warm once again on Sunday, that high of 91 degrees and a very mild low into the upper 70s. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.